welcome back, guys. We're at part 2 of the wind chimer build. Remember this, yeah? So if you just joined from part 1, welcome back. And if you're just joining on part 2, I suggest you go and watch part 1 of the build, and where we made this in part 1. And this is just going to be the top like this. Right, in this part we're going to be making the... Let's get some chalk so we can show you. We're going to be making these, which are the twisted tapers. Then after this complicated thing to make. It's going to be good. I'm going to enjoy it. So there's going to be 8 different spikes of different sizes with different twists. I'm sure about 7 of the 8 twists that I'm going to do, and they're going to be a normal twist, a Nova twist, a normal twist, a cube twist, a dragon twist, a Rubik's twist, a reverse twist, and I think that's all I've got for now, but we'll figure out more twists. And then we're also just going to be making a simple hook that's going to be like this. We're going to come around and have a smaller thing there, and it's not going to have any curls on or anything. It's just going to be just a simple hook to hang it on. And so yeah, without further ado, we'll get some. We'll get some of this 10mm here, and we'll get cracking with the spike chimer thingies. Right, let's go. Okay, so we got the front, guys. Now I'm going to make the 8 tables. I might get up to 12 volts, but I'm going to 10. And I think we'll fast motion this, so we'll see you in 8 tables. Right, guys, so we've done all the tapers, as you can see, all 8, and it goes from the smallest to the biggest. So sorry we didn't do the time-lapse thingy with me doing the tapers. That would have been cool, but unfortunately we're just in such a tight space here that we can't really, because I was moving around, so then I'd get in the way of the camera because I was moving from Vice to Forge to Anvil, so yeah, sorry for that, but anyway. So we got all our tapers. Now I'll set the camera up and we'll do the twist starting from the biggest actually down to the smallest. The biggest one, the biggest one's going to be a normal twist. I think I'm going to do like the harder twists further down we go, because then I have to do less. For example, if I do a cube twist on this one, I'd have to spend ages with the angle grinder, which I don't want to do. So, by the way, because I'm talking, because I'm probably So I wanted to say that if because I'm going to do it with the angle grinder, but you can of course do that with a chisel. So yeah, so I'm doing it with the angle grinder just because I need time, because I've also got to keep the forge running, the coal forge. So, and if I spend too long without blowing the air, because I have a hand blower on there, it will go out. So I'm going to do it with the angle grinder, the ones that need cuts, because most of them don't need cuts. So, but if you want to do it with a chisel, and really the traditional way, and if I was doing like a proper thing, I'd do it with a chisel. You can do it with a chisel. Right, I'll set up the camera and we'll do the twist then. Okay, see you. Okay guys, so we thought finally, because I've literally spent ages on this, much more than I anticipated, finally forged all the things that, you know, the chimer thingies. We'll talk about that at the table. Now I'm quickly gonna make the, just to show you, just so it's a complete project. Yes, I casted this 6mm, and it's gonna have no tips like that one. Like, where is it? This one. And it's gonna be close to there. So I'll just film that really quickly and then we'll go to the table and finally we've done. Right. See you. Okay guys, so we're finally at the end of the project. We've got the hook here, we've got all the twists down there. So we're end of the whole project, we're end of the video. I've only got some finish up grinding to do on the twists. And then we'll go to the table and discuss the final things. Just wanted to show you because I've got this so this is probably the hottest and the longest I've run the forge for. And I think I can feel a huge piece of clinker here. See if it's maybe I'm wrong, but see if we can dig out some clinker. Maybe I'm wrong actually. Oh, maybe there's no clinker. That's weird. Well, there are small bits. Ah yes, there it is, look. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Look how much clinker. Wow, that's loads of clinker. Put that there. There's another bit here. Yeah, I was going to imagine that there's the coke. It's really efficient, but it produces the clinker. I did some forge welding the other day, mate, so. And I've learned to forge weld, so we can do a video on that as well. But yeah, right, so let me do this finish up grinding and then we'll go to the table. See you. Right guys, so we finally finished the whole thing. So we've got all the, I'm going to call them the icicle twisted thingies that are going to come off our structure. I really like, because for example this, so I've done the Rubik's twist before, I've done an overdone twist before, I've done a normal twist before, I've done a reverse twist before, but I haven't done the slitted twist. But this dragon twist is beautiful, I love it. It's like, look at it. So we got that. So these are new, the Rubik's Cube twist. So this is a Rubik's twist, yeah, and it's basically a cross between actually a slitted twist and a dragon's twist. So this is a Rubik's twist and this is a Rubik's Cube twist. So these are all new, and then this is new, which is just, I'm going to call it, I don't know what it's called, but it's practically when you twist it like a normal twist, and then untwist it, so I'm going to call it a twist and twist twist. The tongue twister. Oh, it's all the twist. A twist, a twist, a twist. Okay, so I'm going to try and say that. It's a twist, untwist, twist, which is a tongue twister. I'm trying to say that. Wow. Anyway. So these are all new, but they're cool because I'm probably going to eventually make a poker out of the dragon twist because it's just so cool. Literally. And then I made the hook. That's just going to hang it as a really quick hook. And then we've got our top, which is good. So I've really enjoyed this project. This has been literally... It's been hard, I mean, to film it in the tight space I have. I will do one day a video of like a tour of the forge, so you'll see how tight of a space I'm in. And then these twists, I'm probably going to do a video doing 3 at a time or something, like a twist series, part 1, part 2, part 3, and so on. I'm going to try and get as many as I can in. But yeah, this has just been fun, so if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I guess I'll see you next time. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.